Go to machine's top. We need to remove these two mounting plates for sidecar. Prepare a wrench. Remove nuts one by one. Open the front door for sidecar to check connection. Then open front door for control cabinet. Remove this nut, it is located at the control cabinet upper part. Then remove this nut, which is located at the control cabinet lower part. Use nut driver to remove these two nuts. Remove these two screws on the sidecar. Prepare a cross screwdriver. Go to machine's back, remove this mounting plate. Then use a nut driver to remove nuts. Go to control cabinet to cut the cable tie. Then remove peripheral cable. Detach the sidecar. Find the cover plate inside the machine. Install the cover plate with nuts.